Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Today I will be showing you a few mods that I have came for my Tesla Model 3. So we are going to go ahead and see what it is, and then I'm going to install probably one or two of them today and hopefully make a video. So let's go ahead and let's get it started. So I have quite a few mods that came for my Model 3, and let's see what's in there. Oh, okay. So these are the mud guards. My Model 3 is in white, so I decided to get the white color one. Hopefully it's a good color match. I hope so. And by the way, I'm getting my car actually wrapped in a satin white color. So I will have the guys also wrap them as well. And I got a USB hub, which I have a 2020 Model 3, and that has a USB-C and a USB A port. So I hope that that connects, and they'll give me additional two more USB-C and USB-A's, and that has a nice little cover. If I can get it open, yeah, and you can plug in a solid state drive. And this is what I got here. Actually, I picked this up from Amazon, 250 GB SSD. I hope that works. The pedal in aluminum, so I got those from what is it called, RPM Tesla. These are the guys that have all this stuff for Tesla Model 3 and all other models, so I will be installing those later days. And that's also the puddle lights for the Tesla logo. So when you open your doors, you will be projecting Tesla logo on the ground. So that's something that I will be installing in a later date. So stay tuned for that video. But today and this also will be installing on the same time, maybe another video. But today we'll be installing I'm gonna go ahead and install this, see if it works, and the USB hub I will install today. So let's go ahead and let's get it started, guys. Alright, so that's my 2020 Model 3. No mod so far, it's all bone stock. So today I will be installing this hub, which goes in here. And by the way, I have a wireless charger already. If it was built after July, I believe you're getting the wireless charger, which is great. And I didn't even know when I bought the car that I would have wireless charger. But the day I picked it up and I saw wireless charger, I was so happy. I was planning on getting one from Tesla, like 130 bucks, but mine came with it, so I was very excited. Further ado, let's go ahead and install the hub and see how it works. And I do have this piece from Amazon, because Teslas have so much storage in there which I will never use. Like, it's so much stuff that you can put in there. So I decided to get something that you can arrange your business card, glasses, and coins and stuff like that. So that's pretty helpful. That's cost me what, about 14 bucks, so that's very nice. And this is the wireless charger. Yeah. So the hub is going to go here. So as you guys can see, I have my USB flash drive there for dash cam and Century mode, and I'm replacing that with the SSD. Some say it's better, less chance for failing, but let's see. We'll figure it out. We'll see. So in order to take the USB flash drive out of there, you have to unmount it. Touch this button. I think you press and hold. Yep. Now it's not recording anymore. So I can go ahead and unplug that. Alright, let's take that off. Put that aside and unplug the wireless charger cable. And they did label, so this is going to be for charging pad. So you can use that for charging pad, which I just disconnected from the car. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Okay. Looks like it's a snug fit. Yeah. So once you have it plugged, it shouldn't move. Let's just find the plugs. Alright guys, so this is the USB hub is installed and wireless charger is working as well. So in order to get the flash drive or SSD recognized, you would have to power off the car, power it off, and then power back on, go into the settings, and then now you have a format USB device. So once I do that, you will format the drive to support the Tesla for dash cam and Sanctuary mode and all that. So let's format that, and you got a dash cam logo came up here. I don't know how or when it's going to start recording, but let's see. Do I have to view launcher? There is nothing recorded on this device. Sanctuary mode. Let's try Sanctuary mode. Nothing there. I mean, I see the dash cam logo is there, but it's not recording. I'm not sure if this drive is supported or not, so I would have to check back later and see if there's anything I'm missing. But the in terms of the USB hub, I like that. So I have two more USB A and a USB C, and I have actually one more in here, so it's like a bunch of USBs. So I just put back the USB flash drive, which is working fine. As soon as I plugged it in, it started recording. Dash cam, you guys can see. Yeah, you guys. And I have all this stuff already there, recorded. It's perfect. It's a really good feature to have. And you can see all the Sanctuary mode, dash cam, cool stuff. That's everything has recorded on the car. That's a good stuff, you know. You don't have to worry about getting a dash cam, but it's not only the front, it has pretty much 360 view of your car in recording every single time you're driving. So that is a great feature. I love it. And I have dash cams on my other cars. I always have them for safety, but this is something that comes with the car. That is great. All right, so I'll wrap the car. After that, I'll put the mud guards and all that on. So I will see you guys on the next video, and if you guys like what you see, you can subscribe to my channel. I do also do motorcycle contents and everything. So I'll see you guys later.